welcome back to my channel. I'm Monia. If you're new here, hit the red button below and subscribe. I love, oh my God, I love luxury accessories, skincare, and makeup products. So if any of those three categories interest you, oh my God, then you need to subscribe. I would personally love for you to be a part of the Monia family. Okay, so I know why you guys clicked on this video. You're interested to see what is this? Like, what am I unboxing? And I think it'll be really good for us to do it together. So let's get into this. So prior to me filming this video, I actually reached out to my Instagram followers. And if you're not following me on Instagram, you definitely should. So click the link below to follow me on that, I guess, platform. But I reached out to my followers to basically ask them, out of the 4 major contemporary brands out there, which ones are they gravitating towards or not gravitating towards? If you're unfamiliar with what the 4 major contemporary brands are, they're actually Coach, Kate Spade, Michael Kors, and Tory Burch. So those are the 4 brands that kind of make up the major contemporary scene. And the poll that I actually asked them was, which ones or which brands are you guys leaning towards, or which brand are you most definitely just not going to carry at all? And most people lean toward Kate Spade and Tory Burch, and I figured that. Right now there's been, or not even right now, but for a while, a lot of people have gravitated toward Kate Spade and Tory Burch, mainly because of like the colorations or because of the designs, and they really do have a truly strong brand presence. And I personally love both of those brands. The 2 brands that people said that they do not really gravitate towards are Coach and Michael Kors, and mainly just because of the fact that, you know, they feel like a lot of people own those 2 brands and they just aren't luxurious enough for them. The final question that I asked on my channel was, does the brand name matter to you if you like the item? And I was so happy to see that 85% of my followers said that the brand name does not matter if they like the item. And obviously the 15% said yes, the brand name still matters even if they like the item. So with that kind of knowledge and insight, let's get into this guy. So obviously during this quarantine, y'all, I'm not gonna lie, like, my boyfriend has told me to stop spending and to stop shopping, but it's hard, okay? It's hard. You are by your laptop all day and you're by your cell phone, and companies are just emailing you left and right about these sales because they don't have people in the stores. And I caved, okay? I bought it. I bought the bag, and I'm not ashamed about it, okay? I'm not. So I just had to get that off my chest because he's probably gonna watch this and he's probably gonna judge me, but that's fine. So taking this out, I think the plastic already tells you the name of the, or the brand of the item. So this item is from Coach. Ah, I'm so excited. Oh. Here it is, you guys. Ah, I love it, I love it, I love it. So here it is, you guys, and it still has the plastic around it. So this is honestly an authentic handbag unboxing, but this bag is the Coach Jess crossbody bag with the double zipper compartment. And oh, I'm just so excited. Let me take this plastic off. I have been obsessing over this bag recently. Ooh, this plastic is a little hard to take off. Shoot. I love the strap on this bag. It's a pretty like red and brown colorway. And if I can take this plastic off and hook this to the side of the bag. This has a lot of like plastic on it, my goodness. Take this and put it on the side. And then it still has the plastic on this end. I think this bag is so cute. Oh, speaking of the tag, so this bag retails for $328, and I was able to get it off of the Coach outlet website for $98. And with shipping, this bag came to $106. Taking off the plastic out the back, and here this lovely guy is. So just showing you guys the details. This is the front of the bag, has the signature Coach monogram and the horse. Here is the strap of the bag, which also has lovely detailing on each side, which also has adjustable straps. Then you have the bag tag. Is that focusing? Which says Coach. And then you have the 2 double zippers. Personally love about this bag is like the detailing. So haven't taken the plastic off the zippers as of yet, but even like each individual zipper says Coach, and like the D-ring says it, even like the sides of the adjustable straps say it. And then again, here is a front view. You see a back view, and then another front, or I guess this is the top view. Oh my goodness, you guys, I cannot wait to carry this guy. Just first impressions, I'm obsessed. I honestly love it. I love that it has the Coach name and symbol on the front with the horse and carriage detailing. I love the fact that I have 2 zippers that are very much functional and usable, and the fact that there is a back slot, and the size of this bag. So if I'm like sitting straight, this bag covers up the front part of my chest. So it's a quite a like hefty crossbody bag. I loved the fact that the price point was, again, like I got this bag including shipping for $106. So you definitely can't beat that. I can't wait to wear it and carry it and use it. And after about 3 months of using it, I will give you guys like my full 3-month review, similar to what I did to my Pochette Matisse from Louis Vuitton, and I'll actually link that video up there. I want to tell people that it doesn't matter like what name brand a bag is, as long as you personally love it. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video.